from Perfect Homes, and today I'll be showing you Supalai Monte 2. And look at this amazing pool! As you can see, now we are in the room, and right in front we have this really nice spacious living room with a couch and a TV. And right next to it we have one of the entrances to the bathroom. And now we're in the kitchen, and right here we have this sliding door to separate the rooms and to prevent the smell from getting out. And we also have this nice little dining table, a fridge, a microwave, a sink, a rice cooker, and electric stove. And right here we have this really nice view of Chiang Mai. Now we're on the bedroom balcony, which we have this nice drying rack and a washing machine and a really nice view of Chiang Mai. And here in the bedroom, we have this really nice queen-size bed, a really nice lamp, a pretty cool wardrobe, and right in front of it, we have this really nice dressing table. And right here, we have the bathroom with toilet, sink, and a shower. So right now we're in the gym, and this gym is fully equipped, and right here we have this really nice view of Chiang Mai. And now we're done with the unit. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next video. Bye!